Hello everyone, I hope you will safe and sound. Let's start new lecture. Name of things which are used in routine life. Armchair. It is armchair. Armchair. This is armchair. This is armchair. Basket. This is basket. This is basket. Bedstead. It is bedstead. It is bedstead. Blanket. This is blanket. This is blanket. Bowl. It is bowl. It is bowl. Broom. This is broom. This is broom. Bucket. It is bucket. It is bucket. Candle. This is candle. This is candle. Chair. It is chair. It is chair. Comb. This is comb. This is comb. Couch. It is couch. It is couch. Cradle. This is cradle. This is cradle. Curtains. These are curtains. These are curtains. Cushion. This is cushion. This is cushion. Door. It is door. It is door. Dryer. This is dryer. This is dryer. Dustbin. It is dustbin. It is dustbin. Ewer. This is ewer. This is ewer. Fork. This is fork. This is fork. Gloves. These are gloves. These are gloves. Iron. It is iron. It is iron. Key. This is key. This is key. Knife. It is knife. It is knife. Lamp. This is lamp. This is lamp. Mat. It is mat. It is mat. Matchbox. This is matchbox. This is matchbox. Mirror. It is mirror. It is mirror. Needle. This is needle. This is needle. Padlock. This is padlock. This is padlock. Pillow. It is pillow. It is pillow. Pliers. This is pliers. This is pliers. Prayer mat. It is prayer mat. This is prayer mat. Quilt. It is quilt. It is quilt. Rosary. This is rosary. This is rosary. Rolling pin. It is rolling pin. It is rolling pin. Rope. This is rope. It is rope. Sack. It is sack. It is sack. screwdriver. This is screwdriver. This is screwdriver. Scissors. It is scissors. It is scissors. Stairs. These are stairs. These are stairs. Soap. This is soap. This is soap. Socks. These are socks. These are socks. Spoon. This is spoon. This is spoon. Stove. It is stove. It is stove. Tap. This is tap. This is tap. Utensils. These are utensils. These are utensils. Vase. This is vase. This is vase. Wardrobe. This is wardrobe. This is wardrobe. It is wardrobe. Window. This is window.